Meaning of foresail.
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 Foresail. A foresail is a type of sail that is positioned at the front of a sailing vessel. It is typically triangular in shape and is used to propel the boat forward by capturing the wind and converting it into forward momentum. The foresail can be adjusted to different positions depending on wind conditions and the direction in which the vessel is traveling. It is an essential sail for many sailing vessels, including sailboats and sailing ships. Without a foresail, a sailing vessel would be unable to effectively harness the power of the wind and make forward progress.